So how to put on the waist bead. So once you get your waist beads, it's gonna have 2 knots. Depending on the fall or where you want them to fall. So in my case, so this is how much space I have left. So in my case, I want my waist beads to fall, say maybe like right here. So I pretty much just take it, measure it out, and where you want them to fall. So hey, I want it right here, right? I normally just twist it around, right? Extra access. So kind of look in the mirror, see where it's gonna fall at. Boom, right there, right? Get some scissors. What I would do, get some scissors, normally what I would do, and then just cut the ends, boom, boom. Make sure you have an extra little something to catch the beads so they'll be all over your floor. Other than that, once you cut them off, right, multiple ties, multiple ties, multiple ties. At least, I say at least do it 6 knots. And then I use at the end is like a little bit of glue, like a little nail glue or whatever. But as long as you do at least 6 or 7 ties, I say max 7 ties, you're good. But if you don't have no glue, you're good. But if you have no glue, boop, boop, put it on, let it dry, cut the ends of the strings hanging, and you're good to go.